Hi guys, I'm Dennis and I will show you our solid point twin base today. Our twin base is perfect for manual 5-axis machining on your 3-axis milling machine. With it, you can easily rotate your parts by 4 times 90 degrees and machine all 5 sides. The twin base fits on all solid point plates with the 96mm grit, but of course also on our solid bolt series. For fixing a vise, we again rely on our combination grit, the fastest and easiest way to set up vises with the 52 or 96mm grit, and without the need for additional components. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, your Dennis.